Hi there. Let's talk about how best you can make money in real estate. And this is an interesting discussion because, guys, even right about now, I am near a construction site where there is ongoing construction. So you're going to be hearing intermittent noise. But also, in the grand scheme of things, people out here are making money through real estate. In other words, we are talking about different types of real estate out there. For example, residential houses. For example, commercial properties out there, maybe commercial stores, malls, you name it. The underlying thing that, guys, real estate is very important because real estate is actually what anchors the interior spaces which human beings operate in, whether it is their houses, whether it is their businesses, whether it is their meeting halls, classes, you name it. And by the way, guys, you can make life-changing money through real estate if you understand how best to go about making money through real estate. That's why I'm making this video to share with you 5 best ways you can go about making money through real estate. You are all much welcomed to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. And by the way, if you are new here and you like this kind of videos I make around personal finance, investing, real estate, showing you places out there, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. Subscribe for you to be getting such awesome videos each and every day. And also, you still at it, consider dropping a like on this video. Thanks for subscribing and also liking this video. You could be sitting there thinking, what are the advantages of real estate? And even so, why are so many people going into real estate? Guys, real estate has basically 3 key advantages, which you need to understand and appreciate. First of all is longevity. With real estate, we are talking about the kind of investment, once you have already invested in it, we are talking about it having 30 years, 40 years, you name it, of lifespan. And even so, it is also the kind of investing or asset which actually appreciates over time. And that tells you you can be able to make money if you invest in real estate, whether it is properties like buildings or even land. Secondly, we are talking about it possibly giving you insane amount of money. And I'm saying so because think about it. Over time, over years, you're going to be making money through real estate by you charging maybe rent, by you selling units, you name it. And then thirdly, real estate is the kind of investing which has ripple effect. What do I mean? You investing in one single piece of real estate can actually assist you invest in another one. Think about it. Maybe someone out there has built an apartment. That single apartment can assist them build another apartment over a few years. That's the kind of investment we're talking about. An awesome investment which can actually have a ripple effect in that it can continuously assist you, continue to develop over time. And of course, we understand not all real estate are the same because there is different types of real estate out there, and with that also their commercial propensity is different. Like for example, a residential apartment maybe somewhere interior far away from the town center can't give you the same amount of money like a commercial property within a town center. But also understand the land value differs greatly. And beyond that also, we need to understand that in this particular video, we are assuming that you already have some money to invest in real estate, or even so, you might have some money in future. Hence, these tips are going to come in handy, right? And with that, the first way you can make money through real estate is by you getting rental income from houses. People live out there in different houses, whether it is townhouses, mansions, apartments, getting commercial stores for business, and you name it. The price they pay for this is what is called rent. And with that, it can give you rental income in case you invest in real estate. For most people out there, that is their first and foremost way they make money through real estate, through getting regular monthly rental income, which they charge their rental units, which are occupied by tenants. So you too can be able to make rental income in case you invest in real estate. And then the second way you can make money in real estate is you banking on appreciation. What do I mean? As I said on the intro of this video, over time, real estate appreciates in value. And by the way, that is the most awesome kind of investing, because I think for a good number of physical assets out there, over time, they depreciate in value. For example, machinery, vehicles, you name it. But real estate is the kind of investing which over time appreciates in value. Talk about land, talk about strategic buildings, you name it. And you can also bank on that. Building and then over time, or even so, buying tracts of lands and over time, having them appreciate in value for you to realize your respective capital gains. Guys, this is an awesome investment too if you think about it. And then the third way you can make money through investing in real estate is you banking on wholesaling to investors. In other words, you can target wholesale market as opposed to retail market. What do I mean? You can, for example, buy huge tract of lands out there, okay, and then target to sell to wholesale out there. In other words, those kind of businesses which purchase in bulk. And in essence, if they purchase in bulk and then they have means of even doing development, be sure you can also be able to make life-changing money. So target wholesale investors, or even so, you can also trigger development and then sell units of real estate in wholesale. Maybe target to sell 10 units, 5 units as a going concern, and in the process also offer attractive discounts for you to be able to actually sell them at wholesale. And then the fourth way you can make money through real estate is you doing flipping of promising properties. In other words, it is a three-step approach to it. You buy something which is ideally undervalued, you fix it because it has some issues, and then you sell it at a high price. To give you an example, there could be a house in your neighborhood which is deserted. Maybe it was built some time back, a person couldn't complete it, or even so, maybe it is an old house. You can purchase that and then do renovations or even complete it and then sell it at a higher price. In other words, you're doing flipping of properties. Flipping of properties also is a way through which you can actually make good money through real estate. And then the fifth and last way you can make money through real estate is actually by you investing in REITs. Something called REITs, which is actually also a segment in a good number of stock exchanges out there or securities exchanges out there. For example, in the Nairobi Securities Exchange, we have Fahari REITs. REITs are basically real estate investment trusts, abbreviated as REITs, whereby we have companies out there which can also purchase properties and invest in them. In the process, start triggering inflow of money from these particular properties, and they can also seek continuous financing from people out there, from the public, for them to continue doing development. And as they are doing so, also the public can be able to share in the profits of these particular companies. In other words, they're going to be making rental incomes. In other words, they're going to be realizing capital gains of their investment. And with that also, they can share those gains with the public through REITs. And by the way, you could be sitting there thinking, for example, this is very expensive. No, it is not. And I'm saying so because, to give you an example, the Fahari REITs in the Nairobi Securities Exchange is going at 6 shillings only per REIT. That is how affordable they are. You can also invest in soft or virtual or soft form of investing in real estate. You don't have to invest in you building a house. You can actually also share part of the profits by you investing in REITs in the securities exchanges out there. What do you think about this? I think these are some of the ways you can make money through investing in real estate. And by the way, like any other business out there, you need to understand the 3 P's. Be patient, be persistent, and also be professional in how you go about it. And in no time, money is going to be flowing into your bank. What do you think about this? I hope you have gotten 1 or 2 awesome ideas which you look to jump into for you to be able to make money through investing in real estate. Cheers, guys, and you all have a good day.